Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me video and a decorate with me video. Today I will be cleaning up in my craft room, and it will be just a quick cleanup. There's not a ton going on, and I will be decorating for summer and Canada Day in my video, and Canada Day was yesterday on July 1st. So stay tuned to the end for the decorating part of the video. And this is the chaos from the recent decluttering projects I've been doing. I recently decluttered my desk and moved some things around, and I've been decluttering some areas in my craft room and trying to just find things and rearrange things. And these are my son's projects. He's in and out of here so fast, and we're trying to teach him to clean up, but it is new, so he's learning. And I need to melt all of these things that he's been creating with the melting beads. And yeah, so it's definitely going to be a quick cleanup and some motivation to get it all done. And if you have not seen my recent video as well, where I cleaned and decluttered my desk and just gave it a fresh new look, definitely check out that video. I will link it down below for you. And this is where I will be decorating. I've been decorating these shelves for my kids and myself. Being in here so much, I just wanted to change it up every once in a while. I've been doing this since Christmas last year, I believe. So it's been really fun for us, and the kids love seeing the different decorations, and I try and have fun with it and kind of do things that they like and theme it to the season that we are currently in. So let's go ahead and get started with the cleaning. Just going ahead and picking up the stuff on the floor, sorting through it, taking my time to figure out where I want to put it. A lot of this stuff is just little odds and ends or projects that I've worked on and stuff that just needed to be dealt with. And going through different pens and all of that and figuring out if they worked, and if they didn't work, they got thrown away. It is so crazy how things just get piled up in your space. And a lot of this stuff obviously isn't on the floor all the time. I had a bunch of cards that I'd recently made on the floor only because I had just recently taken everything off my desk to wipe it down and freshen that space up, and so I needed somewhere to put that while I was doing that, and I only have so much time to devote to a certain project or decluttering process in my room, so I put stuff on the floor and it don't look pretty, and I came back to it, and the cards that I made and different things, they were safe there. They were in a spot where they weren't going to get wrecked while they were waiting to be sorted through. So I was happy that I was able to come back to this when I was able to and get it done. So I was just putting away my son's crafts there and getting that all ready, and then putting away some things on my desk again. I just put things back on here from the floor that I was working on, and now I'm going back and sorting it into the different drawers and various areas that I wanted to put it. And I'm hoping to do an updated craft room tour video sometime this summer. We'll see how it goes. It might end up being in the fall, so stay tuned for that if you are interested. There has been a lot of changes since I did my last craft room tour video back in June of last year, so just waiting for the right moment to get that filmed for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and decorate soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to put on some music, and you can see me have some fun with the decorating process, and stay tuned to the end to see the finished decorations and also the after of the cleanup process. And yeah, alrighty, I'll see you in a little bit after the decorating. Okay, so here is the space all clean and with nothing on the floor. It is so nice to craft in a room where there is nothing on the floor and just so nice to walk. And it's usually not as chaotic as it was right by my desk, but since I've been doing all those organization projects, that's where it was, and that was the situation. So now it's just so nice to have a little bit more of a clearer space, and especially the desk. I have been trying better to keep it clean, but messes happen because I'm constantly creating and constantly not having time to put things away as fast as I would like to or as quickly as I'd want to, just because life happens, and that's okay. But give me your tips and tricks down below in the comments on how you keep your desk space clean or organized, or that just something that helps you with that situation. I'd definitely love to know. And here is a little bit of a close-up of the decorations. I had a lot of fun with this one for my boys and for us here having fun in the craft room. And we went with a pineapple theme. So that tea towel hanging up there says "Party Like a Pineapple," and the other one over there says "Pineapple." And I just think this is so cute. And another pineapple there in the little blue truck for the boys, and a minion, and the Canada Day theme. So here is some fun that I had in the craft room with my son. So
Riley, what are you doing? What is this called?
A minion. I copied it from the iPad last time.
And
I found this minion last day.
what are you working on?
A minion.
But what is this called?
That's a filler melty bead.
They're melting beads. What?
Filler melty bead.
You'll get all these creations. You're so crazy and fun and talented.
Yep. That's good. That's a good word.
You got this over here too?
Yep. I made that. Finished that last time.
Do you have a melting bead factory?
Yeah. Melting bead set.
Yeah, we got a new set.
Yep.
You've used a lot of it already. You are going melting bead crazy.
Yeah, with that.
Oh yeah, that one too?
I can't find it one. That
Oh, we have to look for that pattern again. Okay, we'll finish it. Okay, finish. Did you finish the minion?
not
Oh,
yet.
it's still a little bit more. And you gotta finish this guy too, from Toy Story.
Yep, it's Woody.
It's Woody from Toy Story.
But that Woody doesn't have the mouth.
Oh yeah, he doesn't have a mouth. That's okay. He's still really cute. Okay.
Please like and subscribe and watch my channel all day long.
Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.